Whether you're making a fitness journal for yourself as a gift or you want to sell fitness journals, this video gives you the tips and suggestions you need. Plus, using tools like Canva makes it super easy to create a journal for personal or commercial use and fast. You can even use our templates to make it easier. In this video, we'll talk about why you or your customers might want to keep a fitness journal and the great benefits of doing so, designing your fitness journal with easy-to-use tools and templates, your options for printing your fitness journal and which is best for your purposes, and how to get your journal and writing prompt templates. A fitness journal is a record where you can track your physical activities, workouts, dietary choices, and progress towards your fitness and health goals. It can help you stay motivated, maintain accountability, and achieve better results by monitoring exercise routines and nutritional habits. A fitness journal might include daily exercise log, measurement trackers, goal setting pages, reflection pages. You might have prompts to keep track of workouts and diet and nutrition, or reflect on both to improve results. Also, maybe some prompts to help set fitness goals and more. Our Canva template makes it easy as you've got a cover you can completely customize and some unique page templates to work with. Journaling is a very personal thing, so it's up to you what you want. Some people prefer free writing pages, some want simple writing prompts, and others want more structured pages. Maybe what you want is a combination of all those things. So I'll come back to editing the Canva journal in shortly. But we also, to come up with prompts to include in your journal, we have a 300 prompt collection that you can also pick up. They range from, very simple 1 or 2 word prompts to just, get people to think. And they and then range to more guided prompts. Now, going back to editing the journal in Canva, you can also start from scratch, but we have something put together for you that makes it easier to just put it all together and customize it how you'd like. Now, if you're not familiar with Canva, when you're on this cover page or any page, if you want to see what's on that page, all the different elements, so you can see this is a couple of images put together. You can drag and drop so that things are in front of each other. You can also, if you want to move things around, you don't need to select just one. You can highlight and move things very easily. If you want to customize this, maybe you want to make this into a custom name for yourself or for a client or something, or customized for your customers. So it's Mary's Fitness Journal. You can also drag and drop and make that font bigger if you'd like, and position it where you'd like. If you want to add, you can always swap out images that you want, or if you want to add something else, you just go over to elements and you can search for, let's say, fitness. Let's just go generic fitness, but you might want to be looking up something a bit different. So we could add these guys or something to there, which might be a little bit of overkill with that as there as well. But the choice is yours to do whatever you like. You can also add text. You can add a text box. And as you can see, it adds it there. You can drag and drop it to wherever you want and change what it says. Maybe 2024 fitness goals, not foals, that would be goals. And you can again drag and drop this to make it the size you'd like. So you can customize many of you can add, writing prompts to these ones. Then there's a bunch of different more custom pages. Let's look at maybe the daily challenge and turn that into some kind of daily fitness challenge. So you could change the name. So maybe a 30-day sweat everyday challenge or something like that. And if that goes over 2 lines and you don't want it to, you can always drag it and then move it to where you want, and maybe the font will have to be just a tiny bit smaller to fit in there nicely. And as you can see, I still have all the layers still open here, and it's really handy for like keeping track, especially on some of these pages. They're quite complex and all that's included in them. So it helps having it open, as you can see. Here it could be the new habit, so you could let the customer, or you could fill it out on paper, or you can just change the text. Here is sweating every day for 30 minutes for 30 days, for example. And then you could fill it out. Why is it important to me? And then there's a place to check it off. How did it go? Rate this challenge. You can change anything you want there. You can also add images. So, you know, I could add something like this. And I'm not sure this is going to be the most beautiful thing, but I'll show you. So you stretch it out. You go to the position, and you're going to move it down to the bottom before that outline. And then you can actually make it transparent, so it would be sort of in the background, right? And you could do that on any of your pages. So just some ideas for you for customizing your fitness journal. When it comes to printing, you can, you have a few options. You can print it yourself and place it in a binder, which is nice because it's inexpensive, but it also allows you to easily add pages and put them in the order you want. So if you're like repeating certain pages, you can put them all together. If you sell journals, many customers love printable journals for this very reason, and you can just sell them as a download. You can also have them printed locally, if it's just for your, like at a Staples or some local print shop, if it's for your own use or a small run of gifts for friends or clients. Canva also has printing options, and places like Staples can do the comb binding for you and actually bind it up for you as well if you prefer. Now, if you're shipping and printing for customers using a print-on-demand service like Printify, Printful, Guten, or Lulu, probably makes more sense because they'll print your journals and ship them as you make orders. So, and it's can be an automated process that gets incorporated into the platform you're selling from. If you'd like to make easy work of creating your journal, we do welcome you to grab the, ready to publish or edit journal, Canva journal, and the 300 writing prompts that can help you put together a more custom journal. The links are at the end of this video and in the description, and we look forward to helping you make your most awesome journal.